What's up, guys? It's the Barefoot Family. We're back for another good adventure here at Mnyameni on the river. Got the boat, got the toys. Join us for the ride. Okay, everybody ready? All strapped in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, adventure time, guys. You ready? Woohoo! Tattoo holiday. Say hello.
Look at my piece.
Is here Bonga?
Wow. It's just, they got it from here back there. And look here from
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say habani gahle. You having a driving lesson, Gracie? Follow the road. Made it. Okay, we made it, guys. We made it. Alright, guys. So, we are back at the cottage at Mnyameni. We were here a little while ago, but I'm sure you guys remember when we were here last time, but we're here for another good adventure.
And I'm going to catch a giant. I'm going to catch a shark.
Gracie's going to go fishing. The coconut tree's still there with the coconuts. We still need to try and get those, hey?
I want to eat them.
Yeah, our eggs made it.
Nice.
Oh, thank you, darling.
What's up, guys? It's the Barefoot Family. We are back at Mnyameni again at the little cottage for another awesome adventure. We've just arrived. And I think, should we go down for a swim?
Yeah.
I'm keen for a quick
Definitely.
swim. Let's run down to the sea. Let's go. Kazi's on. Yeah, nice little swim. Back home. Okay, home after swim. Judah, show me your thumb. Judah hurt his thumb just before we left to come on holiday. So we are back at the house and we're just gonna chill out, take it easy, have a braai later. Our friends are also coming to stay, Pam and Ryan and their 2 little kids. Have a little fun evening braaiing. We've got the braai place here and that amazing rosemary bush behind us.
Daddy and I bought you each a special Easter present, but I'm going to hide them now, and Daddy's going to hide them now, so you guys have to stay inside, and then we're going to call you and you've got to come find them in this area. Okay. So you each get...
Go look.
What is that?
What's that?
Yeah, you can have grave digger and Eli.
Let's see. Come show me.
You can trade, and then you can go be grave digger.
Oh, which monster truck is that? Shark monster truck. Yo, that's cool. Gina, what happened to your face?
Hello, everyone!
I played with a shark. Yo, that's cool. What a cool pattern. Show me what you found. Yeah. Should we set them up?
Yeah, but how?
Okay, so we've got new little rods for Grace and Eli. Telescopic. This joint is pretty cool. Upgrading from this to this. No, I really like these. These are really nice, strong rods. Just gonna set those up for them now. Put it through there. Oh, it looks cool. I also like this one. This one looks really good. Let's put a hook on that one though. Daddy found most of these while diving. This one's quite nice. Choose which one you think is best. This is a nice weight, this one.
This one?
Oh, that's pretty big. We'll have to ask Uncle Ryan about that one. This one's got a cool story. Huh? Which one? That looks like a good one to me, eh?
Do it again.
Gracie's little setup. You think of that? Think you'll catch some? We're getting ready for a little beach walk / fish / swim. The water is pumping in right now. The tide's just turned.
And my rod is in anyone's rods. But my rod is as full as your rod.
Yep. You wanna build a sandcastle?
What you got there, Eli? Is it new? Good job, Gracie.
Of your eyes and hooks is blind. Hook goes in your eye, you'll be blind. Yeah, walk towards it.
Oh, too much. Too much juice.
Great cast, Gracie. Yeah.
So this was stuck down there underneath there, and I'm trying to fix it. It wasn't me.
Oh yeah.
I didn't throw it that far. I'm doing it in shallow water. You or somebody else messed it up. So now I got to try and...
Let's
go fishing.
Fishing.
Let's go fishing.
Bye,
Let's go, I'll follow you. Walk that way.
Yeah. I cracked it.
Didn't get any fish. Everyone's cold. Let's go start the fire.
Say, oh, baby. Oh!
We've got the fire on. Ryan and Pam are about to arrive. I'm sure you guys will remember Ryan and Pam from the previous episode when we went out to sea on the boat, and Gracie, you swam with the dolphins for the first time, remember? That was awesome.
And then I spoke dolphin language.
Yeah.
There we go.
How's your thumb feeling, Judah? Judah? How's your thumb feeling?
Good.
Is it feeling a bit better?
Yeah.
That's good. What are you up to, Gracie?
I'm picking rosemary.
Getting some rosemary. Oh, good idea. Here is the famous rosemary bush. Huge. It's a rosemary tree. And it has the most delicious rosemary, which we're going to put on our steak now, hey?
Yep.
Gracie's just getting some rosemary.
This is Mummy's holiday kryptonite. Yes, I love me some cheese curls.
This has got to be the best situated braai place on the planet. Doesn't get any better than that. Okay, we got some good old garlic bread on the go. Okay, meat's almost done. Kids are about to have their supper. Got some salad, some beans. So we just finishing off the braai here. Pam and Ryan have arrived. Gonna have some supper. Run.
A little bit more masala, then it's ready. A little bit more.
This is the perfect place to swim. It has everything a penguin could wish for.
Guys, see you in the morning. Good night, guys. It's late. We'll see you in the morning. Morning, guys. Morning, kiddos. How are you? Not the greatest night. Anyway, we're awake now. Time to get the day started. Wind's blowing a little bit. The south wind came through. Bit of a cold front. It's bringing some big swell. Give me your breakfast.
Dada.
Yum, yum.
Your boat's in this thing like that.
Right, we're going down for a walk at the beach. I'm gonna take a rod or two. No, I think it's open. Just pull it. You can see the swell is up a bit from last time we were here.
By the beach and the bushes where it's calm and sheltered from the wind.
Oh.
You're gonna help us row the boat.
Yeah.
Boat's in a bag. Yo, that's cool. How cool is that, guys? It's the best thing ever, hey? We've got no chance on the roof there. Gonna take her down. Ready for breakfast expedition. Here we go, we made it.
First, eh?
Guys, you found us. How are your feet looking?
Not so bad.
Yo, looking good.
Hello, John.
Okay, who's going on first?
Yeah, I'll take mine.
Judah going on the baby boat?
What? Marty's also a little bit.
Judah's the captain of the boat.
Captain Judah.
Hi, captain.
I'm not That's through your day.
Oh, when I bought a love.
Can you catch it?
It's a dead purple fish.
Daddy, can I hold it? What can I hold it? What can I hold it? It's got dirty feet.
Has your daddy got dirty feet? Oh boy.
Oh wow, look at that little fishy.
It's a puffer.
Yeah. It starts so easily.
Okay, there we are. We're on the water. We're all floating.
For now.
Next stop, breakfast. Go quicker than walking.
Yeah, that's true.
She says, where are we going? I said, no, so we're just going to go out and then along the coast of it, there's a little other inlet, a kiss spot for breakfast. And it's like,
So I can only imagine, like, what am I supposed
Good.
like?
good.
I don't.
So you don't have any regrets.
That's it. That's it. Yeah.
It's not like you just sat inside the seaside the whole time. You're like, Ken, what's the favorite part of the journey? The picnic.
Yeah, obviously. I love a good picnic too. Don't worry.
Now you know it's going to be good.
What a campsite, guys.
Saying about Grace's bunnies. I think so.
Seriously. To visit when we found the feathers in the garden.
Yeah.
And that's all that we need. Here, you can put this one in again. There you go. Okay, put it in. Good job. There you go. But yeah, I forgot. Yeah. Down. All done.
Good job, Hopi.
All done. Oh, look at that yellow.
That's a chicken egg. That's one of your chicken eggs, Hopi.
Which one? Happy? What other one do you want to do? Grace, you gonna crack that one? Okay.
I think that's also a chicken egg, Hopi. I mean, they're all chicken eggs, but one of our chicken eggs.
Well done.
Good job, Hopi Pipes. That's also one of our cuckoo eggs, Hopi.
Well done.
Okay, tip it up.
Hey, look at that freaking yellow.
Good job. That's a shop-bought chicken egg.
Amazing, yeah. Okay, well done. Let's try some more eggs.
Yeah, I think so.
Which other goodies? Oh, he's got these things because pajamas are jamamas, tomatoes are matatas.
Us.
There you go.
Eli, there we go. Look at that. Does it get any better than that, guys?
Yeah.
Secret bread with your tomato sauce, Anna.
Jackets on and get ready to go. Push.
Are you pushing, guys? Are you pushing?
Oh. Stuff.
Mum will come sit next to you. Yeah.
And Chris is like, okay, I'm out. You're a great engine, Shushu.
Gotta give him. Say, go, Chris, go. Go, Chris, go. Come on. Oh, shut up, he's got long legs.
There's X's on there. Oh, look at all these. That's a tiny one.
So what kind of jellyfish
Oh, look at that one. That's huge.
They look like they could crack a stick.
Yeah, you see that.
You see them, Eli?
Yeah, there.
Good spotting.
How can I make you do that?
Ambies, they're massive there. Swimming right underneath, guys, like here in front of us.
And they're flapping.
And for every summer, for
Look at this spot, guys, for a picnic. Look at this beautiful white sand beach. We need to come back and have a little braai here. For sure. Hey?
Where's the cat?
Okay, Judah, come show me your mangrove seed. Show it to me here. We've got all different sizes of mangroves. Here we've got the seed that drops from the tree and goes dunk into the sand. And then it starts growing like this. See, here's where it starts to grow.
And then it goes like this.
Then it gets a little bit bigger, like that one there or there. And then gets this big. Bigger and bigger and bigger. Until they get as big as those ones there.
leaves that turn yellow. So they accumulate the salt in these leaves and then these ones fall off.
But where's the water?
Okay, go. Walk carefully. See if you can track him. Do you see any footprints?
Hey, we were talking about mangroves and how...
You find the cow.
There's so many there. How many?
Can you count them? Yo, that is a lot of mangrove seeds. It's here. You can see some that have seeds on. Gracie's collected a whole bunch and she's planting them to help them grow. Oh, look, these ones are almost sprouting. See, they're sprouting at the top. So if we plant those in, they should start to grow. See that? What?
got bigger.
Yeah, what is that?
I don't know.
What they called? Mango?
Yeah, I found a lot.
It's actually called mangrove. Say that?
Mango.
Close enough. Let's go, mangrove planters.
Oh. I caught 3. Oh, good.
Crawled in there. It's literally the prawns, huh? It was like chilling on the surface, crawled in the hole. There were 2.
Okay guys, we're at this little beach here. Very cool spot. Just been exploring a little bit, but I think we're gonna start heading home. Okay, we just got back to the house, ready for a little bit of lunch. Joyce made us some bread in the oven. Look at that. Steam bread. That is another one, of course, darling.
I want another.
The outlet is going for a little fish off the boat. Hey, we have a roadblock.
Where are you gonna vibe?
In the boat.
Hey. What's that, man?
Sit back. Yep. Thank you. So, 1, 2, 3. Yep. Good job. Okay, we ready? Right, let's hit the road. Bye, Carl. See you later.
Maybe he'll be gone now.
Oh,
Oh yeah, jellies. You can see them all now.
hooking jellies.
Another one. That's nice exciting.
Oh, what is that? Jellyfish. Bring it. Okay, stop. Here we go. We're hooking it now. There we come. Oh, you made it, Eli. Walk very gently so we can try and pump for a prawn. Yeah, let Uncle Ryan do it, Eli.
Sluggish. No.
Can I see? Come on, Pawn. It's bigger than me.
You're giving them some food in there. It's very kind of you.
That is good. I think I got.
Put that plate on for Eli. Let's do this. Okay, wait, not yet. I want to put some cotton on. Great cast. Yep.
I don't want to.
Rods in, Eli. Reel your rod in. Gracie, reel yours. And then we need to go make the fire. How's yours look? Prawn gone.
Yeah,
Yo, something smashed yours, Gigi. You see?
it's not a fish. Not a fish.
No, I think it was a fish because I tied that on properly. Okay,
Yeah,
wait.
yeah, push us in, push us in, push us in, push us in.
Push. Push. Push.
Gotta help him.
Push. There we go. Okay, jump on. Jump on before it gets too deep. Good job. Watch out for the hooks.
Oh, yeah.
Good job, Boyki. We almost left.
Oh,
Jellies everywhere.
Gilly, Gilly, Gilly. Oh, yum, yum.
Crazy, Daisy.
Too many. Oh, don't put your feet in the water, guys. Yes.
There it is, there it is.
Croc.
Croc.
Is that juvenile?
Juvenile croc. That tide is pushing in now. Here it comes. Ready for the current.
If I'm not going to do it.
Are we moving?
Yeah, we're gonna surface dive in, guys.
Yeah. Okay, hold on.
Hold on.
Okay, let's go. Home Jerome. Surfing. Yeehaw! Down. Yo, now we're cruising. Look how fast we're going now. To the slipway for braai and supper. Okay, home Jerome. And the girls have got the dinner on already. Poiki, looking amazing.
Can I give Judah a little bit of alcohol?
Won't mind, Shishu.
Guys, you come and eat Baba. An amazing one. One of the center there. There you go. You want white? That's fine. There you go. Okay.
Can't rush them. I need some peace and quiet. He decided to go off. Guys, see you in the morning. Sleep tight.
It's 8 and 9.
Very good.
Ready?
Martin. Mix colors. Good night, guys. It's late. We'll see you in the morning.